Hello and welcome back to Learn Node.js on Codecademy. We're in the Introduction to Node.js section. This is the console module. One of the most commonly used Node.js core modules is the console module. In Node.js, the terminal is used to send and receive text feedback to and from a program, often for debugging purposes. This may sound familiar to how we use the console in the web browser. That's because in Node.js, the built-in console module exports a global console object that gives the terminal similar functionality. The console object provides many of the same familiar methods such as .log to print messages to the terminal, .assert to print a message to the terminal if the value is falsy, .table to print out a table in the terminal from an object or array. Since console is a global module, its methods can be accessed from anywhere, and the require function is not necessary. Our instructions say, inside app.js we have an array of pets, cleverly named petsArray. Use console.log to print petsArray to the terminal. For these checkpoints, we'll check the program with Node app.js behind the scenes when you press the run button. So let's do that first. So we're using console.log to print petsArray. So we zoom out, and then we're going to add a console method below. Okay, console.log petsArray. Let's run it. So we ran it, and we do see it output here, that array, the petsArray. Number 2 is telling us, next, using the console.table method, print petsArray to the terminal as a table. We could do that under here. Now press run, and we do see it printed out as a table. And then 3, lastly, inside the console.assert method, check if the length of petsArray is greater than 5. We do it under here as well. And we're checking if petsArray is greater than 5. Let's run it. Assertion failed, so we want to compare the length, and I forgot to put the dot length here. So now it's going to take the petsArray, and then dot length is going to count the length of that array, and then it's going to check if it's greater than 5. Let's run it. Now we do pass, and it makes sense because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the length is not greater than 5, so the assertion failed. And that makes sense. So in this lesson, we're learning different methods that are available in the console module. As it mentioned below, they do have some similarities and familiar methods such as .log, .assert, and .table, which we went over in this lesson. As long as you understand that you're getting this lesson, make sure to check out the different methods and properties that are available in the console module to get a better understanding of what's available to you. But for this lesson, knowing these 3 is helpful enough, and if you get it, you're getting this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.